How to print all PDF files in a folder or drive at once. So first thing what you need to do is just open up your file explorer and simply searching for any file with the PDF extension. So I'll just search it for that. So as you can see, when I searching for that PDF, it will show me all of the PDF section over here or PDF files which has been stored in my computer. So now what you need to do is just minimize the screen and simply open up your printer and scanners. So let me just quickly select this printer and scanners option. And once inside here, just select any one of your printer which you use and simply select it and just click on this open print queue. So now what you have to do is just put this window to the side and select the another window which we will be using. And now since we want all of our PDF to print at once, just select every single PDF from over here and simply drag and drop the file over to this section, that is your left section. Since I haven't connected to any printer, so I cannot do it right now, so make sure you have connected to your printer, and once you verify your file, just click on OK and your files will be successfully printed all at once. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.